Double your development team safely and cost-effectively in 2 weeks. A step-by-step, risk-free guide. Need to scale your development team quickly? Here's how you can double your team safely and cost-effectively in just 2 weeks. Start by working with a reliable tech outsourcing partner that has pre-vetted developers ready to jump into your projects immediately. Choose a tech partner that sources developers from around the globe. This lets you tap into high-quality talent at competitive rates. Opt for an outsourcing firm that offers payment on delivery. This way, you only pay for results, reducing any financial risk. Automate your onboarding process to get new developers fully integrated and productive in days, not weeks. Pair new developers with experienced team members for cross-training, so your entire team becomes more versatile and ready to tackle challenges within 2 weeks. Follow these steps and you can double your development team safely in just 2 weeks.